It's S&P time. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, let's have a quick look at the S&P 500. If you saw what's happening with the Dow Jones, you can see what's happening there. As I said in my last video, guys, that I'm trying to cut these down to smaller videos. That way it's much easier, much quicker and efficient for you guys. So I'm trying to cut these down to even smaller time frames. So I'm breaking this up into smaller videos for you guys. Just consume much easier. Bam, 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 bam. So what I do see, guys, is that I can see that really interesting to see that the S&P actually had a bit of an increase in volume, but it actually closed at the bottom of this channel here. And you can see this whole sort of flag formation, but it closed at the channel. It's really interesting to see that we've got this overall sort of close point through here, and that was basically the close, the closing price. So it did actually close below it. Did actually close below all those close. Really interesting to see whether we actually do follow through on the downside or whether we come back up. So we did actually come back down. And so, you know, we may even continue following through back down to here, this blue line, 2135, which is last year's high. Now, looking on that longer term time frame chart, guys, on the weekly chart, we can see that we're actually coming back down. We're coming back down towards this overall high point from last year. So I wouldn't be too surprised to see it actually come back down through here. And yeah, we'll just see what happens from there. And moving on to the monthly charts, we can see that this monthly chart, if we do get quite selling volume, we'll be able to see, oh, look, that was a false breakout before it started to unravel. So really interesting. Keep an eye on that monthly chart, guys. You can see here, if we start to get below here, especially if we start to get below, say, this, I'd say this level here, below, say, you know, basically the 2050 level. If we start to get below that on the monthly chart and we close below that, that's a very weak sign for the S&P 500. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.